Westermans here again with another Bode 1000 kilo welding positioner with a manual tilt. Nice table on this one. It's a 20 VH. We'll just have a quick look at the table, but it looks to be 900 on a faceplate. 910. So machine's variable speed and the foot control. This one runs on a 240 amp or 240 volt supply. Foot control on and off. Some digital display there, not quite sure whether that's RPM or what it is. Obviously going in one direction, back in the other direction, and we'll just give it a little bit of speed here. Machine can either be sold fully serviced or sold as seen. Chucks are also available if required. Machine does turn from horizontal to vertical with a hand wheel at the back. In the past we have seen one or two of these being converted over to motorised tilt, but you can see machine is quite easily turned from horizontal to vertical. More details available from westermans.com. Thank you for looking.